Namaste, my YouTube channel. I've decided it's time to start to teach the Synergy Yoga method officially. And this is a very therapeutic posture and breathing sequences developed by Australian yogis, Borg-Olivier and Bianca Machliss. And I've been studying their subject for about a year now. I'm at hundreds of hours of accumulated practice and study time. And I've already begun to introduce some of the techniques, but now I'll go more into it starting now. There is some signature mudras in the Synergy Yoga style, and this has to do with tensioning some of the nerves that go through the forearm, out of the upper arm, originating from the neck. The first is thumb to the first finger, make a gentle fist, arms out, flex your wrists down, turn the arms in, pull the armpits down. And so this is tensioning the nerve on the on the thumb side, the front of the thumb side of the forearm. Second gesture is fingers face down, spread the palms away from each other. This is the middle of the forearm. Second orientation is fingers face up, essentially the same gesture. And play with how high you want the arms so that you get the stronger sensation. Where the nerve is in your soft tissue depends on your daily activities. Largely, it's basically in the same area for everybody. Last gesture, fingertips towards the shoulders, armpits away from your ears, elbows away from each other. There are others, but those are really the basic intro. Here are the combined movements. The gestures in themselves that I just showed you are effective just by their lonesome. Stretching the top of the forearm, the finger flexors, getting the ulnar nerve around the pinky side of the elbow and forearm. And now just the intro to what would be the moon salutation in the Synergy Yoga style. Fingertips or palms, whatever feels comfortable. Take the arms down, roll your wrists in, as in that first mudra. Then in a circular way, turn the fingers face down, palms face out. Then round your shoulders, palms together, and up. Breathe out, your hands go down, turn your wrists in. Begin the circular movement of fingers down, breathe in, hands up. We'll do it a couple more times. Breathe out, hands down, roll your wrists in, breathe in, hands come together. I'm going through the circular motion because this helps to navigate around the nerves without tweaking them intensely. Want it to feel really good. Last time, breathe out, turn your wrists in, roll your wrists out, breathe in, round your shoulders in and up. Breathe out, hands down. The next video will continue with this introductory sequence. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.